Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the NylaBone Dura chew. This is basically a little chew toy that is for pups, dogs. The reason that I ended up getting this was I actually needed some good chewing toys for our little pup. He really loves to chew on things more than anybody else. And so we really needed some good toys that, would keep him entertained basically during the day, and then also would just last over time really well. Because, a lot of these seem to kind of just break after a little bit, especially for him. He's a very, very small dog. He's a little Dachshund Chihuahua mix, but he has pretty powerful chompers. So, we needed to get him something that was fairly durable and something that will distract him during the day so he's not, sitting chewing on things that he shouldn't be, especially while we're going at work. Yeah, this NylaBone is solid, really gives him a lot to work with. And it's actually pretty large, as you can see. It's, almost as big as my hand, which for, his head is almost is pretty much the same size as my hand, so definitely gives him a lot to work with. The surface of this thing is made with a very, very tough, very strong and durable nylon material. It's very heavy also. There's no breakage with it, even after like a few weeks of him using it. Just pretty solid. Honestly, I assume that this could last a very, very long time, if not forever. I mean, this is something that I really could never see him like puncturing or breaking or anything like that. So for small dogs, if you're looking for a longevity, this is awesome. You also have these like raised bristles, which are on the ends of things right here. This I would assume be better for bigger dogs who are able to chew down deeper into the core of it. But, if you do have a bit larger dog like that, what these can do is basically help clean teeth, control plaque, control buildup. All the toys that I like to get, I never like to get them, if possible, I like to get them with raised edges or little bristles or things on them. Because, what it does is it will help clean their teeth. Especially if you have a dog who doesn't like brushing their teeth. My dog really does not like brushing his teeth, so it's a nice alternative to make sure that, his gums are staying very healthy and also that he has good breath, because nothing worse than a dog with just terrible, terrible breath. It is flavored, slightly flavored, or at least it's supposed to be. It doesn't smell or anything like it is, so it is strange, but I think the flavor is definitely one thing that keeps him going more than anything. I think, it's like a meat mix flavor is what it said on the packaging. Though I believe they do vary from toy to toy, so I'm not totally sure on that. But yeah, I mean, he really does chew on it for hours. Yes, while we use it for our dog, he's about 15 pounds. I would say you can easily use this for bigger dogs. It's one of the few like smaller toys that I think can work in a pretty wide range of dog sizes. It's a very durable little thing, withstand probably really, really aggressive chewers as well. And keep in mind though, it is a pound, so just like over a pound. So, it might be better for dogs who aren't too small. If you have a really, really weak, like little Pomeranian or Chihuahua kind of dog, or maybe someone who's very, very small, that's probably where I would not necessarily recommend getting this chew toy, as it could be a little too heavy for them to actually, go around with. Even for its width though, the cool thing is that it is very slim. So if you're taking your dog on the go, like where we're going to Arizona actually this week, we're going to drive out there and take him along with us. And so it'll be nice because we can easily, slip this into his bag and he can have fun and play with it while we're on the road and when we get there to stay. Other than that, yeah, this is a really, really solid little chew toy. If you're looking for something that's lasting forever, I would highly recommend it. Again, it's the NylaBone Dura chew. Very strong little thing, and is really, really solid for all kinds of different dogs. So for a solid little toy, then I would highly recommend this one. Alrighty, you guys, take it easy.